Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will show you array reduce method, and that is important and very easy. So to use array reduce method, first of all we have to create an array, and then I can explain you why we use array reduce method. So first of all, here I will create an array. So where and the variable, so variable name I will write array, but you can write any name of this variable. And now I will create an array. So square bracket, and inside this array I will put some number value. So 1 2 3 4, and now semicolon. So you can add any value inside this array, but here I just put the random number 1 2 3 4. And now here, suppose we want to add this number inside this array, like 1 plus 2 3 plus 3 4 plus 4 10. So if we want to add this number, so the output will be 10. Output will be 10. But how we can add this number inside this array? So this time we use array reduce method. So to use array reduce method, we have to do one thing. So first of all, we will write again a variable. So where, and now the variable name is, I will write total, and equals to, and we want to write array reduce method. So this we want to count this value of this array. So just I will copy the variable of array. So array dot reduce, because we want to reduce this array's value. So array dot reduce, and parenthesis, again after a parenthesis you have to be write again a parenthesis. And array reduce method takes two parameter, that is first of all it takes accumulator, and the second parameter is value. So so I will write ACC, that is mean accumulator, and VAL, that is value. And now I will write an arrow function. So accumulator, but here we have written ACC, that denoting accumulator, and VAL, that denoting value. But here you can write anything, like you can write, if you want to write A, so now A will be denote accumulator, and if you want to write B, so now B will be B will be denote value. But we want to try to write the parameter name like similar. So now short form of accumulator is ACC, and short form of value is VAL, but you can write anything as per your choice. And now we will write return, and return ACC plus value. So ACC means this one, and value means this one. And now here just comma 0, and here we will write console dot log, and inside this console dot log, just I want to print this variable total, because inside this total variable I have assigned this addition. So total, and now semicolon, and now I will check in browser. So refresh it, and I will open the developer tool, console. So here you can see the output is 10. So our output should be 10, and we are getting the output is 10. But now we have to understand how the reduce method works. So guys, you know, we can write a for loop. So here we write a for loop like this way: for let I equals to 0 and I less than array dot length and I plus plus. So we can write a for loop this way: array dot length means the I will be looping this array dot length, that means 1 2 3 4. So I will be looping up to 4. So we can write for loop this way. But when we use array reduce method, so we don't need to write this for loop. Array reduce method, it's a for loop itself, so we don't need to write for loop. So here when we write for loop, we take a variable that is I, and we assign the value I is 0. That means I will be start from 0. So from here up to array dot length. Array dot length means here our length is complete up here up to 4. So I will start from 0, that means start here I will be start from 1, and I array dot length, that means I will be looped up to 4. So but when we write reduce method, then we don't need to write for loop. Here accumulator is similar like I, and we pass I is start from 0. So here is the syntax, we pass 0 here, that means accumulator will start from 0. We have written here 0, this is the syntax. And value means this one 1 2 3 4. So first of all I will be 0, so 1 and plus value, so 1 I will be looped, so 1 first of all, and after that it will go to 2, so plus value, that means 2, so 1 plus 2 3. So this way it's adding the value of which you have written inside this array. So this is the simple, we don't need to write for loop. So this is very easy. If you want to add the value of inside an array, so you can write this reduce method. And now suppose inside this array and here is a multiple object, so I will create a multiple object. So I will remove this one and I will remove this value. So now here I will create a multiple object. So first of all, like here I will write id, and id is 1, then and here I will write price. I'm just showing an example. If suppose here it's a multiple object inside an array, so how we can add this? So price is 20, and again just I will copy this one, and here we add comma. So now id is 2, and I will change the price is 40, again I will comma and paste. So now id is 3, and here 30. So suppose now we want to count the total price, that means here is the price 20 plus 40 is 60, and 60 plus 30 is 90. So if we want to add the total price, so the output should be 90, because 20 plus 40 60 and plus 30 it's a 90, so output should be 90. So now how we can add the price? So it's a very simple, just accumulator will be same, we don't need to change it. Just value, we have told you value means it's denoting that, so we have to just write value, and value what we want to add, just price. So value dot price, and save it, and now check it here. So here you can see we are getting the value is 90. So it's a very simple. So hope guys this video will help you, and if you want to get more videos in JavaScript, please subscribe and press the notification bell icon.